In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign apps and roles in Zoho One. By the end, you'll know how to control which applications your users see in their Zoho One launcher and how to delegate the right level of administrative access. Everything we'll do happens in the admin panel under Directory, and you'll need to be an organization owner or admin to make these changes. Let's start with assigning apps to users. This determines what shows up in their My Apps and ensures people only see tools they actually need. After signing in as an owner or admin, open Directory from the left menu and select Applications. Choose the application you want to distribute. To add specific people, click Assign Users and pick Individual. Use the search to find the right users, select them, and, if the app prompts you for any settings, review and adjust those so they're ready for your team. When you're satisfied, click Assign and the app will appear in their launcher. A quick tip: if someone doesn't see the app right away, ask them to refresh or sign out and back in. If you want everyone in the organization to have access to an app, go back to Directory, open Applications, choose the app, select Assign Users, and click Everyone. Confirm the assignment, and you're done. This is useful for universal tools like email or chat. You can also scale faster by assigning apps to a group or department. That way, any current and future members inherit access automatically. For even more control, set up conditional assignment rules that grant apps based on attributes or membership, like ensuring all marketing users get analytics and campaigns. These options help you keep access consistent without manual updates. Now, let's cover roles and admin privileges. In Zoho One, roles define what admin actions someone can perform, so you can safely delegate without giving full control. There are built-in roles with clear boundaries. The organization owner has full control. The organization admin can manage most tasks across users, apps, groups, and policies, but cannot transfer ownership. Application admins manage specific applications, including who has access to them. Help desk admins can handle MFA and user password operations. Space admins manage access within a particular space and the apps in that space. To assign an admin role, sign in as an owner or admin, go to Directory and open Admins. Click Assign Admin, select one or more users, or upload a CSV if you're assigning in bulk. Choose the role you want to grant. If you select Application Admin, specify which apps or groups they should manage. Click Assign to finalize. Remember, roles determine what users can manage. Application admins can add or remove users from their assigned apps and adjust app settings, while organization admins oversee users, apps, groups, and directory settings across the organization. With thoughtful app assignments and the right roles, you'll keep access secure, streamlined, and easy to maintain.